Hey Mecha fans, welcome back to the channel. This is Gunmetal Joe and we have some exciting news on some previews here. This one is actually a recolored version of the Thunderbolt in Era model kit. I like the color of this one better compared to the first one, so definitely I will be getting this model. Although I already have the other one, I have yet to build and review that. It's on my backlog. And next on the list is the GS Toys Emperor series. These are the combined Yuanling, Huangdi, and Xiantian Yinlong model kit. I guess we have two model kits here. The other one will form a backpack, but this one looks like a standalone dragon. Quite an interesting design and really something that we could look forward to. And this will be on a 1:100 scale. This is slated for a release within the fourth quarter of the year, so more information has yet to be announced. This one is definitely an interesting design to look forward to. And last on the list, we have a P Bandai high grade, which is the Gundam Born-Lapius. This is slated for a release by July 2024 for the amount of 4,180 yen. This model kit appeared in Mobile Suit Gundam Wing Dual Story, the G unit. And definitely it's an interesting design and something to look forward to. But I guess you will have a hard time getting this one because it's a P Bandai. Anyway, that's it for me for now. Stay tuned for more Gunpla news and mecha updates. Stay tuned to this channel and see you on the next video.